Yun nga. Yung akin, babayin ko din. Yan, zero mo ba?
Zero na lang na eh.
Ziniro ko yung akin.
Zero ba?
Maganda naman ngipin mo.
Yung mas pabro ka puti. Ate, para tayo nagka-veneers. Yawa.
Maganda ngipin niya, no? Personal. Ako na mag-a-adjust sa'yo. Para magkaano tayo. Ano yung wak-wak?
Balba
Sabi
ay.
kay Cherry at Linda, kami naman mag-live. Ay, sila daw dalawa. Mga kabuo. Mga buang din yung dalawa natin kapatid eh. Hindi minsan sama natin sa live.
Oh, pwede din. Next time, no?
Tayong apat, oo. Dalawa ka dyan, dalawa kami dito.
Oh, sige, sige. Aswang daw.
Aswang is wak-wak? Wait.
Eh, mag-thank you na lang. Alam ko ba yung followers ko, nag-ano sila. So, pwede na makilala. Thank you, ano, 1K, no? 1K followers. Giatay, pwede na maka-live, no?
Oo. Live siyang magkapatid, tas kaming dalawang magkapatid. Pag bumay, babe, pag nasa Albania ako, tas tayo natin.
Ano, LDR?
Pag nakamood si Kaka na pwede bigyan niyo ako pera, magpapakita ako, visit ka. Kapatid ko yan, yung ano.
Thank you, God.
Hindi apat, dalawa. Dalawa sila dyan, dalawa kami dito.
Pakpak binairan, yawa.
Yung sa kanya, winter moment. Mga pang malamig kami pang yung mainit yung suot namin. Good mood si Auntie May. Auntie Cherry. Nasa toilet din si May ata.
Ano?
Hi, Kanchay. Ano ba yan? Excited ka na, be?
I was gonna order, oh my god, you won't gonna be happy about this. I was
Excited ka na ako
no, because like earlier, yeah, on the way to work, my sister actually went to drop me off sa work. Na may aksidente.
Ang dami daw.
Ha?
Sabi daw marami follower kapatid mo, Era. Oo, nag-viral yan eh. Sige, babe, magkanto ka lang.
So there's a thingy on. So there was an accident. There was bloody stuck in the traffic for fucking 45 minutes. I was gonna, alam mo yung add to cart, di ba? Add to cart, and that. Ay, putang ina, there's no signal. So tonight I'm gonna do it now. Babe, I only have 7 days. 7 days ba? 6 days na lang.
Babe, naka-premium na ako.
Yeah, but it's not the one, different site. Putang.
Saan ka ba bibili?
So, kahit saan.
Ay, putik. Anong kahit saan? Yan ka na naman. Saan tayo kakain? Kahit saan. Anong gusto mo? Kahit ano. Si May, nagpapa-order sa akin. Na-order ko mamaya yung mga gusto niya. Last minute buying eh. Nasaan ka, May? Nasa toilet ka?
Oo, nag-ano.
Kasi in Dubai. Comment ng ganun. Hindi pa si Cherry. Ganun din pa si Cherry.
Nandiyan ako pa, mama ko, yawa.
Hindi, si Cherry sa live.
I don't know.
Cute naman ng mga nandito mama. Mais ka dyan. Oy, anong mga chuk-chuk pisit? I-mute kita, bala ka dyan.
Yung mama ko, call center, yawa.
So, wala kang work bukas? And
No work
Wednesday?
tomorrow.
Di Wednesday?
Wednesday din, yeah.
Ay, all. Thursday.
Ang sa date ka ron?
Thursday.
Ako lang, working Thursday.
Dapat hindi ka na lang nag-work ng Thursday. Last day ko yun.
Last day saan?
Oh, tapos back to Sunday na naman. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, wala na ako.
Tangina,
Gusto mo
akala
ng
mo naman
26.
nakamatay. Wala ka na. Saan ka?
Mamamaya pa.
Visit ka man. Be, hindi ka makakalangit, be, kasi sabi na hindi ka diyawa ka. Ang dami mo na kasalanan.
Dami lang ako kasalanan, kaya gusto na ata akong kunin, be. Ayun o, nandun yung liwanag na sa'yo. Pakilipat nga dito.
Mama. Mag-brace ako sa mama ka. Patay ko. Ma! Pag-hi sa diri, magdali!
Ay, si tita.
Pag-hi sa ba?
Ah!
Ginakay ko namin ang kay kanang fans. Dali ba? Pagpagkaisa, dire, kaya naalagay ko an, buang din.
Siya na.
Naalagay pagkaisa, tatanan. Ito ko mama.
Ay, tita!
Siya man na siya.
Ay, ito, sabi na nanood, 143. Hello, tita, sabi mo. Hi!
Mag-ano ko, kaya para magwapas ako niya na pag-hi.
Alam mo, umapil ka sa kong live.
Oh, ano type mo?
Nag-atay, mag-apil-apil na. Oh, napag-live
Joke
na.
lang.
Pwede yung pag-haya.
Hindi ka marinig ko eh.
Pag Linda.
Ano ka ba?
Bye, good night!
Hi, good night, tita. Okay. Ano sabi niya?
Dalalit lang.
Ano sabi niya?
Ako kaayo. Hello, tita daw sila, oh. Mag-first comment ako ang tubig. Yan mo to. Ang tubig, atit lang.
Like mother, like daughter. Imbes na magsalita.
Hindi pa.
Thank you. Ay, be, sa'yo yun, be.
Ay, ano yan? What's that?
Sa akin din yun. I love, thank you.
What's that?
Thank you, flowers, sabi mo.
Thank you, flowers. Yawa ka talaga? What's that mean then? Just got the number 3 gift. What's that mean if may ano badge?
And then, nagbigay sa'yo, be, oh.
Sino yan? Si Kai?
Si Nightmare. Nightmare, thank you, Nightmare, sabi mo.
Thank you, Nightmates. Where?
Ay, no, yung mga yung pa-effects, tignan mo yung points mo nandiyan, yung 500 something. Yan.
Oh, yeah. What's that one?
Sa coins, like, you can withdraw or sabihin mo.
Oh.
Thank you, flowers, sabihin mo.
Thank you, flowers. Yawa, oto-oto na ka na. Paldo-paldo sa ganyan. Yes, you need to teach me what is this mean.
Guys, follow her. Follow nyo, dali, para mag-live siya ng mag-isa niya. Doon siya guguluhin.
Ha?
Sabi ko, guguluhin kita. Ayan o. Sabi mo, thank you, chicken curry.
Thank you, chicken. Yawa.
You know?
Ay, gaatay!
Si Zoop. Thank you, Zoop. Sabi mo, be.
Thank you, Zoop. Ha? Saan?
Si Zoop.
Thank you, Zoop.
Ayun o, yung sabi niya, sent you. Pag may nakita mo pag nag-send sa'yo.
Until in the gift gallery.
Sige, mag-thank you ka lang.
Puro man na nakuhan kay init ka ay tugnaw kay ganina murag Antarctica ang kuhan balaya ba nabuang. Ano yung mga
Sabi mo, thank you, hat and mustache.
thank you has and most buang mo na siya. Uy, be nakakara. Yawa na po na po na ako. Oh shit ganun.
Sabi mo, thank you, Zoop.
Thank you, Zoop. Is it that same person? Nana po na yun.
Bisaya ka, Era. Hindi po. Nung saday ka. Kay Auntie Linda. Yun yung mga nag-ahay sa'yo, be. Shout out mo.
Oh, hi daw. Hello, Auntie Linda. Nikki. Hi, Nikki.
Tuturuan natin siya para siya mag-live. Para pag wala ako, kaya niya mag-isa.
Ay, giatay ka man di ay.
Gawin mo akong mod, be.
Balik
Hindi ka pala pwede.
Balik ka.
Ano siya gagawin?
Hello, Auntie.
Kaya mo mag-tumbling?
Ano po ka da?
Ha?
Sa?
You know how to do tumbling?
Halo sayang kantig. Ano halo sayang kantig?
Siya naman mag-invite, oo. Anong topic natin ngayong gabi? Mananakit ba tayo, be?
Ewan ko sa kanila. You tell me.
Era.
Pwede mo na Bible study. Gusto, do you want, guys? Right, gusto mag-Bible study? Kana eh. Bible study sa ta. Mga makasasala na kahit tanatanan. Joke lang. Ay, sabi. Uy, mabo.
Ay, sabi mo, mag-thank you ka, be.
Ano? Thank you.
Ano? Thank you, Nightmare. Say, thank you,
Thank you,
Nightmare.
Nightmare. What's that? Ano yan?
Ang bigay ng ano, be? Ng corgi.
What's that?
Corgi?
Corgi?
Be, tingnan mo yung points mo. Sabi mo, thank you. Sabi mo,
Thank you, guys.
thank you, corgi. Sabi mo,
I don't know what that mean, but okay, I'm gonna...
thank you, corgi. Sabi mo,
Yawa ka talaga.
sabi mo nga. Thank you, corgi. Sabi mo,
Yeah?
oo, corgi.
Corny?
Corgi.
Oh, corgi. Ay, atay.
Sabi mo, thank you, heart signal. Sabi mo,
Ay, yeah. Oto-oto na pagkala. Uy, Tessa, ba na ako nanumduman? Have you ever tried, sige tawagan na, mag-October, bitaw? Bi, yung balay sa yung balay-balay ba? Kalang pag-October, ng mga G, ganin mo sa sa ibang-ibang bahay, yung magpe-pray kayo, tapos Berhen,
Hindi ako katoliko.
Ay, hindi ka katoliko. Alam niyo, anong Tagalog yan, guys? Yung
Dasal? Dasal?
Ha?
Dasal?
Yung magdasal kayo sa ibang, Black Rosary, ayun, alam mo, I used to go there just for snacks. So we always go like in a different,
Tapos na October, babe. Di December na.
bahay. Yawa ko, lula, sa una, be, manguwit, og lubot, be, pag di ba, sobra kami maingay, yung lula ko, be, yawa, sabi niya, yawa ka, wag ka maingay, bullshit ka, makisnak ka din eh.
Paano yung kurot? Paano yung kurot?
Bukurot siya, be, yawa. Ay, May ba yun? Akala ko October.
Hello?
Natatawa ako.
Nadamay na naman daw si Lola mo.
Lolola ko kasi, loka-loka.
Lola mo kay mama mo? Yung kurot pag-ikot, yung gano'n, no? Be, ang sakit ng gano'n, no? Thank you! Thank you. Sabi mo, thank you.
Oh, that's cute. Ano
Rising
yan?
Key. Sabi mo, thank you, Rising Key.
What?
Rising Key, yung pangalan, oh.
Hold on. Rice and key?
Oo.
Please. Ano ngayon? Topic.
Mananakit tayo, be.
Ano bang topic ngayon, guys? So,
Dear Antelinda, itago nyo na po ako sa pangalan na baby.
Ay, piste! Wait lang. Ano daw? Uy, kainit ba din mo?
My nightmare is very rich.
Huwag kayo pasabot, ana.
Hindi ako mananakit, charot lang. Be, mananakit ba tayo?
Oo.
Bakit be? Bakit daw bakit umaalis yung tao ng basta-basta? Like, umaalis lang sa buhay mo.
Okay, makalakaw man sila.
Ba, mas masakit
Hindi,
ba
may paa sila,
Di,
gago. Isudsad
di,
mo.
Mas masakit ba yung pag yung tao umalis sa buhay mo nang hindi mo alam, or mas masakit yung
Ano?
yung pinagpalit ka, hindi mo alam?
Marihas na ba? Ha?
Hindi, umalis lang siya.
Umalis na walang ano.
Hindi ka, pero yung yung iba naman yung pinagpalit ka pero hindi mo din alam. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ano yun yung Tagalog.
Then show them what they're missing.
Ha? Alis muna ako. Charot lang naman. Pinagpalit. Mas masakit daw yung pinagpalit.
No, if someone replace you, that means...
Anong pinamasa ko? Ano yung mas masakit sa'yo? Yung iniwan ka lang ng walang dahilan o yung iniwan ka ng ano?
May dahilan. Mas masakit yung iniwan kang walang dahilan, gagi.
Thank you. Sabi mo, thank you. Sabi mo, thank you, Shell Energy.
Well, energy, that's cute. Mas masakit kung may iniwan ka na may utang, gagi. Sabi pa ni ate.
Ay, dude, parang true to life.
Ay, oo, kayawa na. Hoy, experience ko, guys.
Iniwan may utang.
My past, he still needs to pay for me.
Hindi na babalik yun, wala na.
I know, his trip to Paris, he still needs to he still owes me.
I don't think
Never mind.
I don't think he's gonna pay you back.
No, it's alright. I can just, yeah.
I think para sa akin, mas masakit yung iniwan ako ng di ko alam.
Kaya nga eh.
Kasi kung iniwan ako ng pinagpalit ako, okay na yun may dahilan na. Pero yung iniwan ako na hindi ko alam, ang dami nag-ano sa sarili ko. Like, bakit ganyan? Walang ano, babe.
And
Parang,
it's easy for you to move on as well, especially when they
yeah.
replace you. Kasi nga, if you saw someone else, I mean, like, if he or she, if you saw them with someone else, you'll be like, yan pala ang pinagpalit, yawa ka na. Oh, then you're gonna have to do better work on yourself and become better. So the next time they're gonna come back, they're gonna be like, shit, I regret what I did. Oh, di ba? Di ba? Putang ina kayo. So, ganun. Simple lang.
true.
So, sa korte, makita. Yan mo pala si Ante. Listen pa.
Mag-iba ka naman. Ano pa yung ano yung, can you guys, ask question? Mag-iisip din ako. Mas masakit yung pagkatapos makuha yung ingatan mo tapos iiwan ka. Mahirap, B. Ikaw yung healer. Pero hindi ko endgame.
Oh, shit. Do you know one thing I'm actually scared the most, especially when you're in a long-term relationship?
Thank you, butterfly. Sabi mo, thank you, butterfly.
Nagiging kwak-kwak yawa na din. That is cute. Ay, ganun. Teka lang, hold on. What was it? Ay, nakalimot na lang ko. Unsa ito? Ano nga yung topic, be? Atay
Ano
mo.
daw, mas masakit yung iningatan mo tapos
Kalimot lang ko ingon. Ay, atay mo na eh.
yung ikaw yung naghulma pero sa iba naggano.
Alam mo, one thing that actually scared me, especially in a long-term relationship, like you fix that man for someone else. Imagine.
Yeah, ikaw yung fixer.
Yeah.
Pero iba na kinabang, be.
Imagine like you were there since day one.
Pagkuhan sa silong bigay.
Naging wakwak, naging aswang daw tayo, be.
Ay, ganun. Naging wakwak ang kapanit, nabuang.
Sabi ito, mas masakit ba ang pinaasa ka o hindi ka man lang binigyan ng chance? Mas masakit yung pinaasa.
Eh?
Oo. You know why? Air is a good night smile. Good night, chikay.
Good night, ate.
For me, mas masakit yung pinaasa ako kasi nag-hope ka dun, be eh. Nag-start ka na ng, what if, mga ganun na, ano kaya magandang gawin? May mga parang plans ka na for the both of you. Pero kapag, yung hindi ka binigyan chance, at least alam mo na hindi ka na mag-step forward ba? Step back ka na. Kasi pag pinaasa ka, ibig sabihin, yung hope, putik na lamok to, mas ka dyan. Ba't may lamok dito? Yeah. Ikaw, Ben, anong mas masakit? Pinaasa or hindi ka
Oh,
binigyan?
that's cute, my heart.
Thank you, heart.
Thank you, heart.
Thank you, please.
Ano, pensa ito, Ben? Pinaasa or walang chance?
Oo.
Yo, pinaasa.
Mas masakit.
That's why don't put any signs or
Mixed signals. Okay,
mixed
mas mixed
signal,
signals.
yeah. Don't confuse someone because like I do believe what you get, you will receive as well.
Karma babalik.
Karma
Wala na yung karmang dumante. Kung ayaw mong gumawa ng masama sa kapwa mong tao. Kung ayaw mong gumawa ng basta't yun, alam nyo na.
Kung ayaw mong gawin sa'yo, wag
Wag mong gawin
sa iba.
Ayun, yun, tama. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sa Tagalog, pistin.
Nahihirapan ako, babe.
Karma is digital, exactly.
Kalma is
Mas masakit yung balikan yung ex after mo siya ayusin. Era can relate.
Hindi ako bumabalik sa mga ex ko, babe.
No, but your ex went back to his
Bumabalik.
ex. You meet the parents stage but bigla kang ginawas. Damn, yeah.
Hindi lang meet the parents yung nangyari pa. Finlex ka sa family, iba yung finlex sa social media. Tas masama pa yun, binalikan yung ex na may anak. Sakit nun, te.
Damn.
Sabi daw, space, give me some space. May kinakausap na palang ibo.
Ako, if that was me, I'm gonna go to Sikihor. Ipabarang na ko ng mga animal. Iwaan mo. Ipapaano ko talaga yan. Ipakulam ko yan.
Nakatakot ka naman, be.
I'm gonna go to a witchcraft. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, you can't be happy, all of you. Mga piniste mo na.
Uy, huwag niyong saktan yan.
Waka ka na.
Huwag niyong sasaktan yan. Ito yung kanta yan, no?
Joke lang. Ipabarang nato, yawa.
Are you willing to do?
Umaga. Sabi niyo kilala, umagang kayo sa akin.
Hindi na kita sasaktan. Uy, huwag niyong saktan yan. Sabi ito, meron dito. Mas masakit ba minahal ka hindi ka pinaglaban? O ikaw ang lumaban pero wala ka palang pinaglalaban?
Ay, butangan. Ang ako mo, bigyan mo ng sundang, yawa.
Ako mas masakit yung ano, be, yung ako yung lumalaban pero wala din pala akong pinaglalaban.
No, to make it flair, be, yeah. Get ka na sundang. Sige, talong sundang.
Ay na naman siya sa... Hindi ko na naman naintindihan.
Magkukuha ka ng ano, sundang ka, yawa ka.
What's
Play it
sundang?
fair. Yung knife, and then you can ano.
Thank you, Mika. Basta itak? Bakit itak, be?
Nagiging ano, puti.
Ay, mas masakit daw yung palo ng nanay niya, be. Are you going to give a second chance to someone
Oh,
who
that's
cheated?
cute.
Baby, kaya kapit mo,
Ay,
dali.
ganun pala. Mana, oy.
Sabi niya, are you going to give a second chance to someone who cheated? No.
No. Shut up. Why would you?
That's negotiable. That's non-negotiable.
If they value you enough, then they shouldn't.
Why would they
do it.
cheat in the first place?
Exactly.
Hi, Dian. Why would they? Why would they? Bakit siya gagawa ng dahilan para saktan ka? Like, especially involving other people, that's no-no for me. Ayoko ng ganun.
True.
Mas masakit bang iwanan ka dahil sa sawa o iwan ka dahil sa hindi ka sapat?
Bill, Lindera podcast na tangina nun, di ba?
Lindera. Oy, panindigan mo yung your Auntie Linda, ha?
7 days lang yun.
Di ano daw mas masakit? Mas masakit ba daw yung iniwan ka dahil nagsasawa siya sa'yo? Or yung iniwan ka dahil hindi ka daw sapat para sa kanya?
That's deep.
Ako kasi, iniwan ko yung na-fell out of love ako sa first jowa ko eh. Nawalan na lang ako ng gana. Wala na excitement.
Dahil hindi. Well, it's hard when they left you because you're not good enough. Then show them what they're missing.
Oo, true.
The best revenge is no revenge, but to be better and show them that you're capable of doing things without them. And then find a better man or woman.
Ikaw yung
That biggest
nananakit,
map.
Era. Hindi
Be a
yung
hot-
nananakit. Ako yung sinasaktan. Ano daw? Ay, thank you, ano, sabi mo, thank you, Charmer Bow.
Who's that? Charmer Bow.
Yeah, sabi
How
mo,
can I not read that?
ay no, Beo, your Auntie Linda, Charmer Bow, oh.
Wala sa akin man bin, unsa day ka?
Nandyan sa comment, ayun, no.
Thank you. Thank you, Kate.
Ang cute. Thank you.
May question dito gusto kong sagutin.
No.
Kaso ano? Paano yung na-out of love ka pero siya mahal ka? Hindi, kasi alam nyo, ayoko ng boring na relationship.
Nobody wants a boring relationship. Come on. You gotta be freaky.
Kung ginawa mo na lahat para mag-banding, pero mga ganyan, pero hindi ka pala priority. Hanggang sa nagsawa ka na lang, ay hindi dito mag-work. Ayun. Na parang freaky pa. Gusto ko kasi may ano ba, kahit na magjowa kayo, dapat yung kilig tsaka excitement nandun pa rin sa relationship. Hindi yung magjowa kayo, kampante na kayo kung anong meron lang kayo.
Pag ako magka-jowa tapos mawalan ng ano ng
Sino nag-send?
pag ako naging jowa tapos mawalan
Thank you
siya ng
ka.
spark.
Mag-thank you ka.
Thank you, Kim.
Nanahimik siya. Pakiligin nyo lagi para manahimik na ako.
Yawa ka talaga.
To check.
Check.
Sabi ni AI, debating heartbreak scenarios, share your worst breakup. Yung, ano yung pinakamasakit mong breakup? Ano yung, tell the story, what's the worst breakup you, had encountered? Do you have one? Like
Yeah, the latest one. Well,
is it the previous, recently?
yeah. Because there's no cheating involved. It's just didn't work out.
Me, mine is the last one as well.
But it happened for a reason, and I'm glad it happened because someone.
Yeah, there's someone out there better.
Out there's better.
There's someone out there better for you.
Better and that's so funny.
Ano pa? Any more questions? Walang pasok si Auntie Linda nyo, sana all.
Mystic Greenlands, who's that?
Masakit pala yung binuo mo siya para sa iba, lalo na lalaki pinalit niya sa'yo tapos kaibigan mo pa.
Damn.
Sakit nun, tagus sa pader yung sakit. Ayoko nang ganun.
Ansa?
Pagpalit mo ako dun sa taong hindi ko kilala kasado yung kaibigan mo pa, no? Ang awkward.
Betrayal will be real. It will hit different.
Oh God. May nagsabi dito, ready ka na daw bang magmahal?
Me?
Ikaw.
Yes.
Comment. Yes.
Of course I'm
Are you
ready
sure?
to fall
Are
in
you
love.
ready?
Yes, of course I am.
Bitang ina, wala ka man 3 months. Paano yung 3 ban?
Ang tatumban. Ay. Oh, but that doesn't mean na
Ay.
awit ka.
Ano daw, ano ang grabing effort na ginawa ng ex nyo na hindi nyo malimutan if meron?
Ay, unsa pa man din sa dugayan. Unsa ba to?
Meron ba, be?
Ano?
Parang ako lang lagi yung
What is the best thing that I've ever did to my ex na I'm not gonna kalimutan if meron? What, good or bad?
Yung maganda. Na hindi mo makalimutan.
All
Meron ka
big
ginawa.
effort. Anyways, so I don't know which is which. I think everything.
Utang daw, be.
Uy, utang. Yeah. Yawa.
Ako, ano ba yung ginawa nila na yun?
Ay, walang 3 months roll. Bahala siya. Kasi ang kinabuhi niya. No, 3. Well, it's not 3 months anyway.
Ano naman nasabi? Paano naman po yung 7 years relationship at sa konting tampuhan lang iniwan ka na, need po ba ayusin o ayahan? Depende sa inyo. You guys have to talk about it. Ala, nag-thumbs up yung
Sapa diha.
Naumsaday ka.
Today ka.
My opinion on that, you have to talk about it. Kasi,
Ano naman po ang
don't ever involve other people kapag may fight kayong magjowa. Kasi mas lalala. You have to be more, you have to communicate. Ayusin yung dalawa muna. Wag kayo yung, don't involve other people pag may fight kayo. Kasi parang mas, ba, be? Alam mo yun, like,
become toxic.
another side, ganun, mga ganun.
You know what? If there's only one thing I learned from a past relationship or all of my relationship, because before I used to if little arguments, I keep telling to anyone like, oh yeah, this is what we did, blah blah blah. But one thing I learned is that when you two in a relationship, you have to just talk, just two of you. Not everyone needs to know the
It's
things
not their
that are going
business.
on because there are things there are things na arguments that you might forgive your partner but your family cannot or your family
Yeah.
your friends cannot, so it's better to protect the reputation of your partner, and at the end of the day you two in a relationship and you two have the deeper level that for as long as hindi ka sinasaktan na sobra, like, so you can still forgive them, so just keep it to yourself or to your partner,
True.
between you two.
Good morning. Grabe English yun, be.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi yung ilong yung dumudugo ko, ibang dugo yung dumudugo, be, talaga sa English mo.
Diba?
Tama.
Some arguments that you just need to keep it between you two.
Ay, Diyos ko. Tsaka, ano ba? Pag kunwari may mga tampuhan or if you guys have a fight or any small fight, don't ever like sleep without even fixing the problem. You have to fix it ASAP.
It depends how deep it is though, because sometimes it takes for you to forgive.
Yes,
Like for
but-
me.
Small fight. I said small fight.
Oh, small. Yeah, that's small fight. Yeah, because you never know if you're gonna wake up tomorrow. So at least forgive and forget.
Ay, Kajumi. Stay in love. Wala ba kayong question?
Hi, Kazumi. So daw, ang advice mo, Linda, na in love sa
Ano advice mo?
Don't ever.
Ano?
Hinayaan ko na lang kasi kung hirap din pilitin kung kaya tiisin kahit sa mali.
Thank you, MJ. Sabi niya, mas masakit ba na sinabi niya hindi siya ready pero naging ready naman siya sa iba. Kung sa'yo may sakit gibayan na walay rason o ayan na si Sprikitik, ambot sa imo.
Ano daw? Ano sa'yo mas masakit gibiyaan na walay rason o nakapanghinaw ka unya wala kalabot sa kaon. Yawa! Mas masakit yun naghinaw ka aguan, like naghugas ka ng pinggan pero hindi ka pala kasali sa pagkain, yawa.
Lalo makaka-relate.
Self-love lang muna, sayang din yung yeah, self-love, yeah. Pag kayo iniwan, babayaan na sila, uy, sa pagtuo para sila tao sa kalibutan. Sagdaiyot, di mag-uol sa pagtuo, bati tagnaw. Ano ba? Dapat to mindset. Dapat ba, bisan ba tagkuan, fake it till you make it, mga inatay. Dapat ganun, be, di ba? Ang sabi ko,
Oo na lang, kala mo naintindihan ko
ay,
talaga.
sorry. No, ang sabi ko, Tagalog, if someone leave you, yeah, just leave them alone. Like, see you later, bitch.
Eh, pag,
Don't beg.
Sabi ko nga, I never give second chances. Pag iniwan mo ako, wala ka nang babalikan, ganun lang ako. Thank you, next ako agad.
Oh, thank you, next.
So,
Naman sa kasayawa. Okay naman ko, te.
from the scale of 1 to 10, ano?
Paano ka gusto ni Lauren?
8.10.
11.10.
8.5.
Who wants to make 50
Yung
quid?
1.5,
O, pag una dara, uy, naunsa da
ako
ko.
mo nang makita. Ano mga ano iba-ibang dialect yung mga nandito? May point ba talaga? O yung 1.5 pag ganun. Huwag mo nang sabihin natin kahit hindi nangyayari. Majijinx kasi.
Unsa daw?
Naunsaday ka.
Wala na question mo, na
Mahirap yung iniwan ka pagkatapos kang buntis. Hirap mag-move on. Hindi ka makausad. Oo, pag may
when the kids is involved, that's hard.
Uy, takot daw sila sa braso mo, babe. Nung nakita mo nag-flex-flex ka.
Alright.
Ibabalibag kayo niya.
Yawa ka.
Biyo, babe, pa-headlock naman minsan lang. Oh.
Say, pahad na yung atay ko mo diyan. Ikaw ba kayo mo?
Pa-headlock naman, oh. Minsan lang. Hindi pa ako na-experience na headlock. Pasakal po sa pader, sabi ni Gwen Visit.
Hindi atay.
Yes. Ilang beses ko na nag-gym. Yun yung bahay niya, yung gym.
Yeah, gym is
Mas
life.
ano ba siya? No, I'm not scared.
45 times a week, depends. But this week, I haven't been to the gym just yet. Last week as well.
Okay, thank you, Moon. Guys, payag ba kayo papa-headlock ako sa kanya?
Iwa ka man di ay.
Ba, paano ba yung headlock yung ganyan? Okay lang, ikaw naman eh.
Nakita ko yung nag-flex.
Ikaw naman na eh. Go, Mika. Mika, if you want any advice from Auntie Linda about the motivation, discipline, gym stuff, you can ask her. Virtual love. Moon. Sige, go. Eh, no, marami siyang alam. Kung ilang grams yung tinitake niya everyday na protein, mga ganon, or ano yung favorite niyang routine sa gym.
It depends on your goal. What kind of goal do you want? What do you wanted to achieve?
Oy, sabi dito, di ba be totoo? Sabi niya, Linda, totoo ba walang damit si Air pag natutulog? Di ba be di ako nagdadamit?
Miyawa ka man di ay, ikaw gawa ni mo eh. Bahala ko diya. Papa ko, nabuan tang tubig ka.
Magdikit nga yung balat namin, ayaw namin.
Uy, may one man sleeping, we literally have like
A massive pillow in between.
Say hello to my bear. Hi guys, this is
Tatanong ni Lauren yan pag kung totoo daw na pag natutulog ako, wala akong damit.
Atoy ko man di ay
Siyempre, nandyan ka, wala ka lang magdadamit ako, awit ka.
Hi Bear Brand.
Sino daw nagbigay nun, be?
Oh, so my mom. Everyone think like it's from for someone. No. So I remember 2 years or 3 years ago, I was heartbroken, guys. It was Valentine's Day. And I don't have date, but I wasn't desperate in a way. My mom gave us, I think I came from work at something. So nag-surprise si mama. She did surprise me and my sister. She wrote a letter. My mom said like, you don't need someone who's perfect. You just need someone who accepts you perfectly. And so this one is like really something that reminds me of my mom all the time.
Binagsasalitain minsan, di ba? Nagagawa sample, 1, 2, 3.
Hello! Ako si Berb! Dara na siya kayo sa like. Ang sa'y damak, yatay mo na siya eh.
It's hard to find on both sides. Ate Lev, what's your opinion?
Ate Linda, what's opinion? Aaron Connection, do you think there won't be? Well, if they wanted to work it out, then yeah, there will be a match. I don't know.
Ayun naman siya sa I don't know niya eh. Kilalang kilala kita talaga.
I can't tell, time will tell. No, because I think relationship or any relationship takes a lot of hard work, and it's a matter of choosing someone, because there will be the days that they're not gonna feel like you wanted to be with them, but it's a choice. Hey, my roses, ang cute.
Thank you, Rose. Sabi mo, be.
Thank you, Rose. Yawa ka talaga. Guys, how you met each other as a best friend? No matter how hard life is, don't think alcohol without me.
Visit
My English is not brain. My brain is not
each
brain.
other because of our family.
Yeah,
Upload ka daw ng gym routine mo, be, kaya mo?
can do. Yeah.
Diba yan? Kung friend nyo yan sa ano, kung pinafollow nyo yan sa Instagram, doon yung mga ano niya.
Yeah, I've got a lot. Yeah, suppose.
Doon siya. Ganun yung content mo, be, sa gym, sa TikTok.
Yan na lang.
Kung ayaw mo yung mga sumasayaw, yung mga ganun na lang content mo.
Ngilngigan mo kumasay. Ay, mura man tayo gibitok. Parang may ulod, magiging ganun. Tapos healthy.
Tapos healthy recipes. Yun. Pwede rin.
Naghiwalay kami kasi
Can
tapos.
do.
I can do. I might gonna upload at some point. So just bear with me. I'm trying to get used to that TikTok. Like, edit.
With April. Go follow nyo siya. Be, wala sa bio mo yung Instagram mo.
Wala. Ay, meron It's in my bio. Oh.
Bayot. Aquarius, hello.
Giving tips about the gym. Okay, you tell me what you want. And I will tell you. Oh, there's 3 flowers. That's cute.
Thank you, darling. Thank you, Zoo. Are you gonna finish the goal? Mag-gym na yung daw mga person dito, sabi.
I'll take you guys with me. Come on, let's do it all. Imagine
Pwede ka
nag-live.
pwede ka mag-live sa gym.
Eh, para kung tanga na unsa na ikaw.
May mga ganun kayo nag-live.
Not live, but I can take a video, but not live. Yawa mo na buam na daw. Makautot ka dito, yatay. Nag-live ka. Paano kung nakautot ka dito?
Mag-gym, workout for toning, any recommendation? Zumba. Thank you.
The best way for you to actually tone, everyone keeps saying na if you wanted to lose weight or something and then want to build muscle, you have to do the cardio, which is not. I think for me, based on my experience, if you wanted to lose weight and gain muscle at the same time, you have to lift weights, heavy weights. Not have to be heavy, but like that's the basic way. Kasi when you actually, if you think about it, if you lift weights, you build a muscle. First, look, it's yeah, yun na yun. But don't forget the massive thing as well. If you wanted to like tone your like your arms or everything, every part of your body, make sure you eat a lot as well. People keep saying, "Oh, I don't want to." No, that's the most important thing, the fuel to your body. If you wanted to gain those muscles, you have to feed it.
Pag broken na ako, mag-gym ako. Saktan nyo muna ako. Nagbabayad ako ng gym every month, hindi man ako nagpupunta. Paano naman kung gusto namin magka-abs? Kayo, calorie deficit, tsaka kailangan ewan ko kasi.
Wala akong abs, guys, ha? Wala akong abs.
Yung abs
lang sa mukha.
Pagleles ng
No, I don't think I would be able to have a abs. It takes a lot of
Mag-gym
years.
ka tapos walang pork in a year. Oo, kaya kung walang baboy in 1 year.
Eh? Ano sa daig ka?
Kaya ko, be. Nag-pescatarian nga ako ng ilang months eh. Puro seafood.
Vegetarian? Ito nakalibot?
Hindi, pescatarian. Puro seafood lang.
Eh, really?
Ilang months ako na ganun. Paano ma-motivate mag-gym?
Paano daw?
Yung dapat may goal ka.
Sa totoo lang, guys, everything in life is hard. Kung mataba ka, it's hard. Kung if you wanna get fit, it's hard. Everything is hard. What matters most is you need to find your heart. Yun lang. There's no motivation for me. A lot of times, I don't even wanna fucking go to the gym. But I just do it anyway. You don't need to go to the gym or you don't need to feel motivated to go to the gym. It's the matter of discipline. You have to go there even if you don't feel like it. Kasi those days, matter the most. Those days where you feel like, oh shit, kaya ko pala even if it's hard.
Kala mo
And
nagiging...
that's when you know that that's when you have more respect with yourself. Kasi if kaya mo nagpunta ng gym without your motivation, or if you manage to do the hard things, then when life gets hard, it will make easier for you. Ay, nauna ako. Nagiging motivational speaker. No pain, no gain. Wise ka lang, Tilin. CAPC. Thank you. Yeah, just go do it. Just go do it. Because alam mo, hindi naman, it's not all, like, if obviously come from experience, I was like very skinny back then. I felt insecure, and that's normal, when you do something in your life differently, you have to get out of your comfort zone. That's fair. Like all the feeling na you feel insecure about it, that's okay. That's normal. We all start from somewhere, but you have to think of yourself. You're going there not to compete with everybody. You're going there for yourself. And all of those people who got muscles already, they were there as well, so they will understand. They will not gonna judge you. Just like me, like if someone's there just started in the gym, I'm not gonna judge them because I know how that feels. What matters most, just show up. Yan na.
Galing ko.
Ikaw na, ha? Dami na ano.
Wait lang. Wait lang ha. Anin ko lang si Bella. Wait lang guys. Anin ko lang si Bella, naggaganon ng pinto. Bella, diyan ka lang ha.
Oh.
Huwag yun siyang iwanan, iiyak yan.
Okay. Uy, are you sad ba daw, be? Thank you, God. At least hindi niya ako iiwan, no? No, I'm just reading all of you, ano. Magbisaya na, oo. Inigbalik Tagalog na yawa. No, honestly, guys, thank you so much for the support for me. I do appreciate you all. Kasi I only have like 100 something funny. All of a sudden, I was like, oh my God. I feel like, I'm grateful from all of you. Hindi kami nang-iwan, pero kami yung iniiwan. Eh, grabe ka naman. Giyatay mo na siya, eh. Valentin, oh, that's cute. Of course, I will add you. Yawa, ipabarang kahadlok. Ante, ito ipabarang te, yatay. Really amazed by your way of thinking, Auntie Linda. Thank you. Napasaya mo rin, eh. Ito, panibabarang, uy. Hindi mo ko kabarang, yawa. Paano ba si Era? What time is it now? Oh, it's 9 o'clock already. Oh, we love you too, Gwen. Well, I love you. Auntie Linda loves you guys. I feel like, you know what, since I started like nag-visit sa view ni Era, nag-live. I don't know, I feel more like happy like talking to you all kasi naka-relate ba, like it's nice to talk to like Bisaya and Tagalog and everything. And I started to enjoy it actually. I feel like, oh yeah, it's nice to have a good conversation with people. I only see the funny Auntie Linda on live, but the post I've just in names. Like, yes, Queen, let's see. How do we know each other? I think it was in a family event. Yung ano,
Sorry, there.
Era's dad. No? It was in your event. I think was it?
Si Bella umihi.
Cute.
Lamig.
Linda Marie magstorya, yung tinood si Laura og si Era. Anong tinood ba?
Okay ka lang kanina? Sorry.
That's fine. Hey, kumaring Linda. Hello po. You are the best and then thank you. Tagalog na guys. Okay na. Tagalog na ta.
Wala na siya.
Behave na ta.
Wala na siya, be? Diyan pa?
Sino?
Si ano?
Diyan pa man siguro?
Tignan natin.
I think so anyway.
Ay, diyan pa. Mutak.
Nandito ba?
Oh.
Hello my love.
Ay, may love. May tawagan na kayo, puti.
Lang ko na. Practice gayatay ka man oy.
Hello. Hello, may call sign na.
Yatay.
Hello, my love.
Practice yawa ka man din. Ano sa di kayo kung ano din. What is the best way to make a LDR work to make your partner trust you? Damn. I don't know. The best way? You just have to communicate and trust each other. I don't know. What's the best way? Trust, love, and respect. Ay, atay, oy.
Pigilan niya.
Wala man tagi kabuhian eh.
Mas mauna pa nga mas mauna pa magkaka-live life yan sa akin.
Ay, atay ka man di ay.
Hello.
Practice. Ginoo ko, Lord. Love life. Tanay ko.
Feeling niyo din, siya unang magkaka-live live sa amin. Ako din, feeling ko.
Eh? Feeling din namin. Feeling na ninyo. Feeling mo lang yan. You're not feeling well. Ano, mag-practice. Buang. Lisod-sod mo. Mag-iatay.
Maunahan pa ako. Okay lang, basta't masaya yung kaibigan ko. Support lang.
Sure.
Deserve niya yan. Deserve niya yung happiness. Diba?
Okay guys, let's talk about something.
As something, sila magtanong tayo magsasagot.
Or next time guys, if we're gonna go live next time, me and Era will gonna a question, ha? Siguro mga 30 questions we're gonna ask them. And they have to answer it. Pagdili.
Era, how do you found your connection with Lauren? And do you think there's can be something of it?
Practice ka lang yawa.
Time will tell.
Bayad pa yan.
Wala nang bubuan pag tama ang tao, tama na ang panahon.
Huwag na move on pag tama ang tao, tama na panahon. Ang buhay ay weather lang, sabi pa ni Kuya Kim. When will you meet her? Just a hint if you want. Ay!
When will you meet her? Hindi, pag binigyan niyo na akong lion,
Roar.
wala ako ng ticket.
Ang sila yun.
Yung
Baka makagiatay.
what's the first thing you would fix in your life?
Akong katabian.
Ano yun, be?
Yung kadaldalan ko.
Ako siguro yung
Joke.
I don't wanna take things sa mga, ba? Ayaw masyadong siniseryoso yung mga patindi sinuyoso bagay. Parang ako sensitive akong tao eh.
Ano sa ba i-fix na to, ha?
50k, oo, that's 50k lion. What's your biggest regret? Begging for someone who's not even worth it to beg.
Fuck! Thank you.
Who's older?
Her. Yawaan mo ay kung ignay ninyo nga patiguang pa kong naon niya bantay lang gid mo
Which
sa
member
ko.
still makes you smile? Mm. Mm.
Ano naman na?
Ang laki naman ng okay lang yan. Ako nang bahala makipag-usap kay TikTok.
Hindi ko siya
Ano ba?
i-secret.
Ano memory ba? Nung bata ako, I think when I was young, yung mga when I was playing sa street, yun yung mga gusto ko. Nami-miss ko yun. So, ikaw muna, ilang taon ka na?
How old I am? How old do you think I am, guys? Come on, comment down below. Wrong answer, mapatay
Okay.
kita mo, ha? Choose wisely. Say it wisely, ha?
25.
Very good. Sabi na ko, ignan na 40 yawa.
27.
Ay, 22, thank you. Ay, 28. Zop! Unsa man?
45 daw si ante. Grabe naman kayo sa kanya.
45 si Andy, yawa. Grabe naman pagka, uy. Pinuwang sa kay ka, no?
Thank you. Sabi mo, thank you, love you so much.
Thank you, Wendy. It was Wendy, isn't it?
Si Era mukha ba akong 20 in person?
Wala naman kagbata.
Hindi nga yung totoo.
Bata, batuta, sumpay mota.
Si siya mukha siyang di 25.
Yawa, gini siya. Oh. Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
Mukha ka ng 55.
Yawa.
Charot lang, hindi.
Walang gets you speak. Bisaya. Tagalog, puti itlog.
Hindi mo ka 25, 24. Era, yes, you look. Yeah, I know. I look like 22.
He looks like 16, sweet 16. Yung when you're only 25 and then they call you auntie, yo.
Morning toast. This Christmas, you've got a friend in
30 plus, true. 20, oo, tama. Mindset is, matured enough.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Era maybe 28. I will be 28 soon.
Linda is 30. Wow. Right. I'm gonna, babe? Yawa, ipabarang na ko na sila, babe. I'm gonna write a pen. Kinsa man to siya? Who's that? Babe, papakulam ko yan, yawa.
Sino ba? Sino nagsabi?
Sabi niya 30.
Ala, mamute ka ay. Huwag niyong anuhin.
I'm gonna, write it down who said 30. I'm gonna say like the witchcraft.
Who's single? Both of us. Sabi mo, thank you. Sabi mo, Zoop, thank you. Sabi mo,
Thank you, Zo. Huh? Zop? Is it Zop?
yeah. Just one.
Ay, kani Antilin. Kani kay paan ko. So kay kuni Antilin.
Send ko picture pa ko.
Send the picture ipapakulam na. Ito mo na. Kagilok na nabuang mo na. Ang sanay ka, te. Kasirok masud kaya nga words.
Ang dami nanonood, 200 yung mga.
Guys, why are you still awake? What are you doing at the minute? Ano ba yung oras na dos? Ano naman, be? Plus 4 na. Hala, may siya, may auntie siya sa sa Sikihor. Kani, auntie.
Kakaano. Ano po kami, mababait po kaming tao.
Kakagising ng mga person.
Pampatulog.
Good morning po.
We're zombie.
Pampatulog namin kayo, eh.
Yung nagsabi daw ng 30, pakulam mo daw, be.
Oh, ay pakulang ko. Hiwaan mo.
Really wait. Kung wala lang akong talaga work bukas eh. Wala, kailangan kong kumayod. Kailangan may pera sa holiday.
Kailangan kumayod. Kinay 5 kabata, ipatutoy.
Gulo ka pong anak. Gray jacket, what? Kakagising mo lang, good morning. Kahit para sa ticket.
Good morning, Dora. Kimi
Ticket
Dora.
pang Pinas. Gising na sila, kami patulog. Crush you. Di wala kang tanong sa kanila.
My brain is not braining. Anjot lang. Isa ba?
Anong pwede gawin para makatulog? Kilitiin mo sarili mo. Para mapagod ka sa kakatawa.
Ako po si Motot.
Wait lang, be.
Hi, guys.
Okay na ba? Okay na ba?
Okay, mag-post po daw sila. O sige, pag-post mo.
Chinese ba si Era? Kami na bahala. Ano? Asa na ang line?
Ano na? Uy, may question nga ako. Teka lang, na-screenshot mo na ako. Unsaon mo na ako ni pagkuha gani.
Ala. Be, wag mo na akong i-message.
Just another negotiation.
Saday.
Guys, I'm gonna ask this question. If you guys going through something or hardship in your life, what do you normally do?
Kahit tumatawa lang siya. Oh.
Wala na kayo. May binasa lang po. Yeah, so what do you guys do? No. You have to comment down below because maybe someone reading sa mga comment and they might inspire you isolate. Some of them cry and pray, sleep. Manonood. Pray to God. That's a good one. Sleep, yeah, I'm like that as well sometimes.
Ako I do
Isolate as
I'm
well.
listening to podcasts. Anything na nagsasalita and then I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah.
Magwala. Grabe naman. Manghasi. Anong manghasi?
No.
Same podcast and books, yeah. Eat.
Cry hanggang sa pagod and para maging okay. Big hugs to all of you. Trust in
Anong big
God
hugs,
and
be?
stay positive.
Be, try mo kay big hugs.
Pakunti ka karon na.
Thank you.
Nature ang takbuhan ko. That's a good one as well. Magwala. Grabe, pinasantilin. Uy. Kasi mga kasi.
Bear brand hug. Ayun na naman siya.
Enjoy your dream day. Yeah, that's a good one. Really pray. I'm same though. If I going through something, I do pray.
Manood kay Era.
I isolate. Yeah, as I isolate myself sometimes, or just go to the gym or pray or cry if I have to.
Ako guluhin si auntie nyo.
Yeah.
Morning.
Like then they prepare.
Hey, Gray. What?
Go
Dito
to
ka lang
prayer.
pala ngayong Gray.
No, guys, if you're going through something, go to me and confess to me. I will listen. If you're going through something, don't forget na
Sabi niya,
you're not
this
alone.
is the therapy for me watching you guys.
No, for those people na going through, well, we're all going through something in our daily life, but don't forget that you're not alone, guys. You're not alone in this world. Trust God with all your heart and someone out there who's gonna listen to you. Especially me. If you guys, I'm willing to just message me or
Babe,
something.
next time I will go si Linda. Ala, yung nagsabi 30 ka, oh.
What is that?
Sabi ni Mulba.
Yeah, because like you never know those people. They might need someone. Sometimes when people going through something, they don't need someone to judge them, but they just to listen. Let them see what they need to do.
Yeah, true.
Ano daw? Next time I will go see. Next time I will go see Linda Yawa. Have you ever cried because of love? Of course, I cried a lot when it comes to love because I'm very passionate. I love hard. That's why I get hard easily.
Kala ko, I get hard na,
Yawa ka talaga. Hugawan makaini mo.
Ano? Oops. Green-minded, dirty mind, dirty mind. Sorry na.
Hugawan. Yawa man. Nakasamot da siya giatay mo ni.
Lights on or lights off? Sige, pastok tayo.
Okay, sige. Let's fast talk this time,
Lights
guys.
on or lights off?
Red lights.
Red lights. Oh,
No.
red lights. Brown out. I see red. Oh, red. She's wearing red.
Okay na. Red room.
Red lights and red room. Yes.
Wala na yawa.
What? Who's here? Asawa ko. Hi.
Is she there?
I think
Brown out.
Lauren asked what light. Red lights.
Honestly, guys, when you find a girl that's beautiful and smart, don't let her get away from you.
Candles are gray. Okay, Gray, you ignoring. Peace out. What do you want, Romeo? I keep
Romeo.
saying hi.
That's a bad name.
What do you want?
Candle off.
B, kanina pa siya. Gray. What do you want?
Giatay.
Fight. You wanna fight? I don't fight. I fight through here, not to here. Dito ko. Ay, lights off. Be, happiness or ano?
Ano da?
Chocolate. Happiness chocolate.
Happiness. Chocolate can wait. Oh, you're so determined, yeah.
Be, why chocolate?
Chocolate can wait.
Chocolate can wait.
You also determined. Wait lang.
Oo nga. Be 4 years na, so chocolate can wait, right? Be,
Taba na kay ko.
agree.
Yeah. You want an honest question? You want an honest, the conversation?
Oh, ito. Top o bottom? Pastok nga, pastok.
Top or bottom? Both.
Balibag mo ko, be. Ano, middle? Ako side to side.
Yawa ka man dahil naman tuloy ka.
Kapatid ko nagpapaano ng shopping. Ano? Nag-post. Uy! Side. Uy!
Ano?
Side. Yeah, up and... Gaya din, oo. Gaya-gaya to eh. Chocolate can wait, new learnings, yeah. Rough or gentle?
Yeah. Ya atay kamandihan unsa day ka? Hugawan ka ni animal.
69.
Hugawan mo mga animal. Wala ka diha atay kamandihan.
Naunsa day? Be, naunsa day ta?
Bad girl.
Yung bad girl. Wait lang, patutog natin yan. Ano daw favorite position mo, be?
Hoy, atay. Wala ka diha.
Ayaw, go. Next question. Next question. Next question.
I'm gonna behave, okay?
Pastok nga eh. Stay dry.
Stay na lang.
Be, ikaw, be. Anong tanong mo sa akin?
Ay, atay kamandihan.
Pastok ay. Walang pastok. Ala, nasa na yung ano? Good morning. Ang daming nanonood pa rin. 2020. Approve it.
I'm gonna behave.
Wala na yung pastok. Wala na. Yung utak nila, ano na, tulog na. Ano ba ang comment niya, be? Ha? Sabi niya, good night ba? Matutulog na daw ata eh.
Sino?
Ay, puti. Sabi niya, she said, game. I love you daw. Ulo. Hindi niya sinabing I love you. Grabe kayo, wala siyang sinabing ganun. No, she didn't say that. No. Ano kayo, laro kayo talaga. Ano, babait ba na pastok o pang green? Yung pang green.
Ah, Mang Green.
Huwag kayong ano, wala siyang sinabing ganun.
It's here.
Slow or fast? Fast. B, sagutin mo, B.
Is what? Ano daw?
B, slow or fast?
No comment.
Ako, tease or please, tease. Slow or fast, no comment? Nausaday ka talaga. Naiya ka lang eh.
Tawag ka talaga. Next question, atay man sila. Oy, ga.
Bakit nandito pa si Romel? Romel, can you, ano? Babay ka muna, mute ka muna kita. Bakit ano?
Slow or fast? And depends.
Bala ka dyan.
Oh, answer na ko ha, depends. Fast. Or both. Ay, atay.
Bakit nakakapag-comment pa rin siya?
Atay, ganun siya taoy. Loud or quiet? Loud.
I'm gonna make a...
Iyawa mo na si Antilin. Uy, ay, pagsama.
Toys or no toys?
Ay,
No toys.
Sige, atay mo.
What toys?
Ano may gusto to eh? Ano daw?
Up or down?
Ang sama niya itong mga...
Wait, mag-fast talk tayo. Nagtatanong sila.
Oh, up and down. Down.
Ako, up to down.
From the top to the down.
Niligawan or nanliligaw?
Nililigawan, syempre.
Naliligaw.
Ask Dora.
Naliligaw po.
Ice cream girls. What's ice cream girl?
Circle up side. Do you like control or being controlled? I don't wanna be controlled. I don't like controlling people, so no.
I'm gonna make you wet the bed.
Tied or not tied? Not tied. Sigaw o bulong? Sigaw. Gusto ko yung maingay. So when do you want to be a mother?
Anytime. With the right person.
I'll ask my mother first.
Ikaw ginantilin ha. Antay lang. Huwag yun niya hanggang. Antay na kasakuha. Wala mo na siya ko, auntie.
Yan na, nag-iibang dialect na naman siya. Hindi, pag ako nagkapampangan dito, bahala na yung ano natin dito, yung magkakaintindihan.
We could have made it to Mars by now.
Compare car insurance and see how much you could save today. Money Supermarket.
Bubuka ang bulaklak, papasok si auntie. Sasayaw ng cha-cha, ang saya-saya. Pin me or catch me?
Love me.
Catch me.
With music or without?
With
With red lights.
music. Red room be. Red room na kanta.
Red room, of course.
Yung I see red. Nasa na yung I see red? You know what you think.
Oh, pag
Maganda o matalino? Pwedeng both maganda tsaka matalino.
yeah, I want both. Smart and handsome.
Magugas ka ng pinggan.
Good looking. Yeah.
Naririnig mo yung kanta.
I know, right? I got both.
So, ay, palitan ko yung ano kulay.
Ang putig. Yawa ka man, ay, unsa ka. Yatayin, unsa ko. Behave la, behave yourself. Mapakon, di ka karon buanga. Flirting or teasing. Both. Huwag eh.
Hindi niya ginagaya yan. Hindi siya gaganyan.
No.
So, di ba siya tingnan seryoso? Seryoso.
There's there's a room for it. There's a place for it.
Cute yun naman.
Init na kay ko.
Be, naka-red ka din, oh.
Ano?
Ano daw, morning or evening? Ako madaling araw. 2
Anytime.
a.m. Ako 2 a.m.
Anytime.
Ako 2 a.m. Pag 2 a.m.
Doc, please gising.
Strong hands or quick hands?
Right. Okay, I need to change the topic now.
Sa UK po. We're in the UK.
We're in the UK. Unahan sa Kibawi.
Mm.
Hindi ka na-care.
Sweet dreams. Kambal kayo. Kambal daw tayo, be.
Kambal to ko.
Kambal wak-wak.
Saan kayo sa UK?
Bandang, malayo.
Bandang England. Huwag ko na ko taod-taod.
Binautot ako, be. Pwede mag-mute.
You know, I'm about to take my license exam on 2010 and I'm watching your live talk. Oh my god, no, you need to get out of this live now.
Oo nga, go. Do
Come on.
revise.
Where's ka na, girl? Good night, Erin. Auntie Linda, may morning class pa kami. Good night, Gwen.
Good night.
Love you.
Good night, Gwen.
Liverpool, Manchester.
I see
She
you.
needs to study now.
Hmm?
She needs to study.
Yakap po halik. Ikaw, be, yakap or makis ka ba or mahag?
Both.
True. Ako, yakap muna, tas halik.
Kiatang yun, animal.
Magjowa daw tayo, be.
No. Her? Nah, I can't stand her.
Wow! Iyang-iya ako sa'yo! Iyang-iya ako sa'yo!
No, I'm joking. Hindi, gagi, mag-ano. No, we're only just gonna be friends. Bino?
Oo, friends for life.
Friends for life, putik.
No breakup. No breakup.
No, we can't.
Yakap muna, tas halik, tara na. Wag dito, sa iba ka maganap.
Yakap
For
so.
life. For
Life. For life, yeah.
Yes, Kate. Good morning. B, nahanap na nila yung bicep mo.
I didn't go to the gym, so I can't flex my bicep.
See you around. Bye.
Oh, Aaron knows the hand sign. You know the hand sign for life. You can be best friends too. You can have my best friend too.
Who?
To be your best friend.
Who?
Si ano ba? Kasi you know the hand sign daw be. Yung for life. No?
Sino?
Si ano?
Ano daw sa sign mo, be?
Zodiac sign ko. Capricorn.
Capri. Capri yan, Capri.
Capricorn.
Nag-snow sa Thursday. Be, sa Thursday mag-i-snow.
Eh?
Oh!
Really? That's
Oh! Namumula na naman yung ilong ko.
ano, mula akong ano, atay.
Hindi ko lang ako tata ako. Same daw same daw kayo. January. Hindi, December siya. Diba?
Yeah, I'm going soon, guys. In 5 minutes here.
Yeah, we're going end live in 5 minutes. I'm gonna rest. I need to go toilet too. Naihiya ako eh.
We still have like 238 people in here. It's... Saka?
Ako, Bi, wala akong kabebe time eh.
Hindi tayo mo si ano. Nasad mo.
Makikibebe time na lang ako sa inyo. Tatlo tayo sa call. Ako na lang magbabantay ng hilik-hilik.
Yeah, tay. Nice to meet you too.
Oo, go. Matulog na kayo. Go.
Guys.
Good night, everybody.
Another day. Luto muna kayo.
Follow niyo siya, oh. Follow her, please. Era, what? Good night.
Good night, Mika. Good night, greatness.
Good night. Guys, follow us, please. Be, magkikita ba tayo bukas?
Depende sa'yo. As long as I just need my rest. And then we can,
Wait, anong oras mo kukunin yung car?
I'm gonna have to speak to JM first. And you're gonna pick me up.
O, sige.
And
Basta 2 o'clock. Pupunta ako sa may mag-ano ng dress ko. Papaayos ko muna, iiwan ko dun.
saan?
Sa may intake. Malapit lang.
Paano? Guys, this girl is so clingy to me. He wants to see me tomorrow. Tangin na yan.
Parang sasawa ka na talaga sa akin. Mamimiss mo talaga ako. Di kita makikita next week. Kaalis tayo, di ba?
Oo nga, no, shit.
Pupunta tayo ng, punta ka ng Paris. Punta akong Albania. Oh. So, magkikita tayo, next year na. Sulitin na kita habang wala kang jowa. Pag may jowa ka na talaga, hindi na kita makikita.
Eh?
Babe,
Alam mo naman,
kita ko
nakawat
pwede. Thank you. Thank you, Fatima.
Oh, my star. Ano yan?
Pero masaya ako kung meron magiging I'm just happy for you anyway.
Yeah, me too. I'll be happy for you too. Basta, uuwi ka ng ha? Pag magka-jowa ka, uwi ka na maaga, kakain ka na, yawa ka na.
Wala pa nga eh. Huwag mo namang hindi.
Practice nga lang.
Diyos ko. Wala pa.
I want to see you too. Thank you for making me laugh before sleep. Oh, that's cute. Love you, ate.
I love you too, ate. Magpaalam na tayo, matutulog na. Matutulog na daw siya.
Sino ba? Sino?
Love you, Mika.
Love you guys.
Ay!
Hey.
Ay! Nabuhat ko talaga.
Ano?
Wala pa nga akong jowa. Babalik ka ng ganyan. Wala pa nga. Pag nandun na ako sa point na yun, dun mo ako tutututututu. May hina ako, be. Mag-ano na tayo, mag-good night. I need to pee.
We're gonna say good night, guys. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope everyone's having a good day tomorrow. And be safe, yeah? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.